conversation is so boring. Heard about when I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck, eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the app with the password? I need your melody. You're like a melody. Won't make a melody. Baby, come back to me. You're like a melody. I need your melody. I need.
Alright, so your girl is ready for the gym, baby. Don't mind the mess. Your girl just moved. But y'all like how I did my little clip? Let me show you guys. Look at my clip. Like, you see? It's giving with the twist, you know, type of vibes. Some people be thinking that I'm starting locks, but no. Even though I do love locks, but your girl's not doing that. No. Because I'm the type of person, I will have locks. And then after that, I'm literally bored. Like, I want to go back to curly or try braids or just try different hairstyles, which I know people do have locks and they get all, you know, braids and they do all these different amazing styles. But I just know myself, like, I'll have them and then I want to change up real quick because I just love doing twist styles. I like to wear my hair curly. I don't wear my hair straight because I am very prone to heat damage. Like, I don't know, my type of hair, it's like the heat baby. One pass, I already have heat damage, so I don't even wear it straight. To the point, if I'm gonna wear it straight, I don't even know when that's gonna be, but if I did, it'll have to be a wig or something, or I don't know, because my hair doesn't handle heat very well. So I just did these twists just to get it out the way, and then that's what I'm doing. Here's my little boy, Milo. Say hey.
Someone said it's even more.
Hi, baby. How you doing? Are you enjoying your new house? Do you like your new home? I think he's adjusting pretty well. The lighting is hitting so nice on my skin, baby. Ooh, love it. There's so much stuff like you accumulate when you like moving, and at first I was like, I'm gonna just go through stuff, throw it away. I didn't have time. At that point, I just packed up everything and brought it here. So eventually I'm about to just go through all this stuff, and the stuff that I don't want is just going away to donations, Goodwill, whatever. Whoever wants it can have it. But yeah, I'm not keeping it. And then that's about it. Needed a really good wash really quick because this car is dirty. So I don't know about you all, but as a child I used to love going to car washes, being, you know, in the car, you're seeing all the lights. It's so fun and experience. So I actually kind of enjoy it. It's kind of nostalgic for me. Look at it. Look at the blue. I don't know why, I just love all of this. But at least we're getting the car clean because this car has been so dirty. I'm about to get the vacuum and try to suction a lot of the stuff out. Eventually I'm gonna get my car fully detailed, like the full service, like get all the little real detailed areas that I've been like missing. But until then, we gonna do this. But I just like it. Get her clean. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Kiki, do you love me? But yeah, so. Alright. gonna start off with my glute activations. First, I'm gonna do Pilates first, just to get myself warmed up. From there, basically, I won't have to do glute activations because I've already been doing that in Pilates. From there, I'm gonna go to the weights because that's how I do for my body. It just works good. So getting my back muscles, everything up, good. So that's what you want to do. And walk it. Next leg. Let's get about getting the body right. Okay? No days off.
Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. Make little bro hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner.
My ass is on fire. I'm almost finished. There's no days off. I literally have to remind myself, like, literally, 2 days off because who else is gonna get me there but myself? It's on me, okay? You are the only person that is holding yourself back, so you might as well keep fucking going. Oh, yo, this sun is just shining, 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 shining.
Options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. No, I wouldn't wanna bleed. With my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you.
He can't get enough of the damn. What? He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. Just wanna have fun with her. He can't get enough of her. He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. I got a vanity light.
Alright, as you all can see, I got little colors. I need to figure out exactly what I want to get done. There's so many different nail designs, so I don't really know what I want, but I think I do at the same time, so we're gonna see. But I've seen this one on Pinterest, so I think I'm gonna give the 2 styles on Pinterest a try, and I'm gonna determine what I want to do. So I'm waiting to see who's gonna do my nails. My appointment was at 1:30.
Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay mad, let's keep it a beam. Don't be mad, I be on the scene.